Welcome to our booth of KOSTAL here on the Intersolar. My name is Thomas Vogel from the product management. I'm head of product management for photovoltaics. I would like to show you now our new products and solutions. So please follow me. So we can see here a very historic car. So we would show here from tradition to modernity. KOSTAL is a company with very much tradition from 1912 to now. And yeah, we show here an full electric car, old car built with electric, and additionally a bidirectional onboard charger. Together with our charging solutions, we are on a BDL research project to make all the things working for the bidirectional charging. Sorry. So here we can see our commercial product. So beginning here with the PIKO CI30. It comes with 2 MPP trackers. Per input you can support 14 amps and per MPP tracker 40.5 amps. The bigger device is the PIKO CI50 and 60. And this PV inverter is coming up with 4 MPP trackers. Per input you can support 18 amps and per MPP tracker you can use up to 39 amps. With these inverters you can easily install from medium solutions up to bigger solutions. Yeah, here we have our residential solutions. So beginning with the PIKO MP+, this is our one-phase inverter, and it's a PV inverter, hybrid inverter and battery inverter. It's the same with our Plenticore Plus, but just for 3-phase. Here you have 3 inputs, and one input you can choose as a battery input or a PV input. And this is our biggest device. It's a PIKO 12-20, and that's the biggest residential PV inverter with 3 inputs. This is our very new product. That's the ENECTOR. It's an AC wallbox with 3-phase 11 kilowatt or 1-phase 3.7 kilowatt. It has a very long cord to make the charging convenient. It has a nice display with the status, and it's pre-configured to make an easy installation. But the most interesting thing is to work together with our PV inverters. For this we have implemented 4 comfort modes, and with these comfort modes the customer can choose if he wants to lock the wallbox to make it secure, to make the power mode when he wants to drive very soon. He can choose the solar pure mode when he had a lot of time and he wants to use all the PV power which is available. And finally you have the solar plus mode. That's the most interesting point. So by a slider you can decide how many grid power should be used, and as soon as PV power occurs, the grid power will go down and we use only PV. So this is a really clever combination. On this wall we are presenting our communication solutions. So with our ENECTOR or with the PV inverter and with the KOSTAL Smart Energy Meter, all these devices are sending the logging data to our portal. So the customer can monitor his plant, can look at the solar app and see all the energy which is consumed, for example, by the electric car. And so he can see how many electric power from the grid or from the PV system is stored in the car, and he can see how long he can drive with the energy which is charged in the car. So here are our monophase solutions. So we just saw it on the wall behind. That's a PIKO MP+, and it comes as a PV inverter, as a battery inverter or hybrid inverter. So you can choose what you need. So you can combine it with the BYD battery box, HV, and one channel is for the battery, and in the hybrid version you can use additionally a PV array on it. So then you have a hybrid solution. And you can store from another PV inverter the energy over the battery inverter or the hybrid inverter into the battery. That's a very flexible solution. Yeah, here is all about storage. So here you can see what is possible with all the KOSTAL products together, for example, with the BYD box. So with one battery inverter, you can attach up to 3 towers of the BYD battery. Due to this, you can realize capacities from 5 kilowatt hours up to 200 kilowatt hours when you choose 3 Plenticore BI in parallel, and so you have very flexible solution and very scalable solution. You can start, for example, with 1 Plenticore BI and 1 tower. You can additionally use another tower when you see you have more energy consumption or you need more energy capacity. So for this, you have all the flexibility you need. Sorry? So here we can see our storage solutions. So we have new in our program 3 additional batteries. For example, the LG battery, which is coming up with the capacity from 8 kilowatt hours up to 16 kilowatt hours. Sorry?
Does it come?
This is another battery, that's a VARTA battery, a German brand, coming up with 10 kilowatt hours up to 20 kilowatt hours. Last but not least, we have the PYLONTECH battery new in the program with capacities from 7 kilowatt hours up to 24 kilowatt hours. So the customer can flexibly choose which battery he likes to want to use in combination with our PV inverters, hybrid inverters, and with the battery inverters. One special use case we can see here, again, with the BYD battery. So here we have the same solution like the PIKO MP+. So we have the opportunity to use a hybrid inverter with a PV system together with one channel, the battery attached. And when you have another PV inverter, you can use the energy over the hybrid inverter or battery inverter inside the battery. So you have the so-called double power solution. Yeah, that's our last wall. So this is our partner wall. So our partners have here the chance to show their presentation of products which are compatible to our PV products. Here, for example, the My PV heat solution with the heat stick. And yeah, it's very flexible, and this is really a good opportunity to show all the possibilities we have together with other products. Yeah, so I thank you very much for your attention, and I hope our products are interesting for you, and yeah, we're looking forward to see you. Bye.